You asked, how to divide 12,056 by 12 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 12. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. 1 times 12 equals 12. 12 minus 12 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 12 equals 0. 0 times 12 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 12 equals 0. 0 times 12 equals 0. 5 minus 0 equals 5. Bring down 6, making 56. 56 divided by 12 equals 4. 4 times 12 equals 48. 56 minus 48 equals 8. The remainder is 8. The final result is 1004 remainder 8.